Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we've got Curleebox. Now Curleebox is a hair subscription box, and the reason is why I subscribe to it is because I do have damaged hair, and so that is what they sort of deal with. People who's got problematic hair, like mine is problematic. And so what it is it is a subscription box. You can either get 1 month one, a 3-month one, or a annual one. And it is a £20 a month one, which is £3.95 postage and packaging, or you can go for a 3-month one and just get this box once every 3 months. I have taken this box once every 3 months, so I will get to use all of the hair products. It's just because I'm not going to use a lot of hair products within a month. It just won't happen like that. So okay, so this is it. So let's just get into it. If there's any coupons, I will leave them in the description box down below. So okay, so this is the July Curleebox. So we're just going to open it up like so. Let's see what's in there. Right, so in there we have got a July Curleebox thing. That just tells me what is in the box. So okay, so we're going to open it up like so. I must admit, the last Curleebox that I got, the products was amazing. I'm just going to take this tape off. So there you go. You see what it is this month. So we'll just pull out an item and let's just see what it is. So this month we have got Hair and Bath Cashmere Caviar for kinky textured hair. So this is a cashmere collection. There we go. Is it going to focus on it? There we go. So okay, so I'll pull them out, then we'll have a little look at them. And then the next item is a hair jelly for kinky textured hair, cashmere and caviar. This is the cashmere collection. And okay, so cashmere caviar hair gel. So this is a styling gel. So it's pretty good. Then we have got a hair serum. So this is the cashmere caviar hair serum for kinky textured hair. So you'll get that a lot in this box. It's for textured hair. So this subscription box, because like it just depends on your damaged hair. You might not even have damaged hair, but it's the texture of your hair, so that is what it's about. So this is it's the same company. It is Cashmere Caviar Collection, and it's the hair silk for textured hair. So it's the strengthening, restructure, add sheen and shine to textured hair. Right, okay, so we've got a lot from this company this month. You don't know which company they're going to be dealing with. Oh, okay, so I'll just get rid of that box out of the road. And where it's landed, I don't know. Right, so this is a hair mask by them. Right, so they're by the same company. Oh wow, oh that has a lovely scent to it. It's like a purple violet scent. It really does have a nice scent to it. Right, so let's just see what it says about the hair mask. So it's going to say hair mask. So it says think luxury, deep conditioning. This rinse off hair mask is infused with cashmere caviar extract and antioxidants and vitamins to strengthen and smooth your hair. It also repairs any scalp damage and promotes faster hair growth and, of course, a healthier scalp. So there we go, and it tells you like the directions on it and how to use it. If I find them, it does, and it just says I did see it, but I can't find them. Right. Okay, so anyway, there it is there. It doesn't say. Does it say how to use it? I don't really know. Right, so it's going to go on about why the cashmere and why caviar. So why cashmere, just like name implies, cashmere extract leaves the hair feeling luxurious, soft and stronger. A source or cashmere proteins support the natural protein found in your hair. Cashmere also emits high wattage shine, stops the frizz, gives more bounce. I don't want to go on too long with this video because it will do. So there we go, and that is that. So then this item is a hair silk texturizing. Hair silk. Is this the leave-in conditioner? It's the Cashmere Caviar Hair Silk. So this is a leave-in conditioner, which is fantastic. I wanted a leave-in conditioner. So Cashmere Caviar Hair Silk, the leave-in from heaven, is softens, it detangles, it moisturizes dry tresses with ease. Sorry about that. I will actually hold it. And with ease. No longer will wash day be a chore with this game changer. It will leave your kinks feeling like a silk. Okay, so that is that. Right, I'm going to try that on my hair right now. If it will open. Oh. Right, so it's like that. I did think it had like a silver thing on there, but it doesn't. So we're just going to try it on to see what it actually does. Oh, it does have a really coconutty scent, and it's like super hydrating. It's really moisturizing, so that's pretty good. So that will probably get used in my house within about 3 weeks. So there we go. So then we got the Cashmere, what are you? Cashmere Caviar Hair Bath. I've never heard of a hair bath before. So this is a luxurious hair bath. It gently cleanses your curls with active charcoal as it naturally conditions with cashmere caviar extract. It leaves hair looking and feeling silky smooth, cashmere soft. So there we go. So that is just a shampoo. It's pretty good that they've actually thought about this and they put the shampoo and the conditioner in the same box, so you get like the true effect of that. So it's, yeah, it's good. Good of them to do that. Right, so then this one is a cashmere hair gel. So I'm supposing this is just like a hair gel for styling. It's so this is the hair gel. It will actually focus. So it's a sheen definition, moisturizing, conditioning, just what you need to style while you're reconstructing, strengthening your hair. It gives a light hold with added shine. With added shine, not without the added shine, with it. So it's pretty good. And there we go. Right, so let's just have a look at this. And it has one of those pop-up bottle tops. So it looks like that. And you just be able to, just gonna style my hair like so. Oh, it doesn't have a strong overpowering scent, it just has a really nice scent to it, and I have no idea what I'm actually styling my hair with. What? Anyway, so there we go. And so I think that, oh, we've got one more item. This is the item, the bonus item. This is a hair serum, and there we go. Is it gonna focus? So it's a sealing serum, moisturizing serum. It's a sheen serum, thermal protection serum with cashmere caviar hair serum, liquid gold in a bottle. The growth enhancing hair strengthening treatment in this solution for increasing hair growth and creating unbelievable sheen. Right, so let's just try this one. So it's like that, and so I'm just going to try a bit on this hair. Oh, wow, that feels like really, it feels really nice. I think that it's actually conditioning my hair and feels really nice. I don't see much of it shine yet, but then that will take a while for that to happen. Just been onto the web page of Caviar Cashmere Collection and Caviar Hair Mask. This mask is actually £15. Wow, so that's like a lot. So I just want to see how much their other products is in there here. So we've got a Cashmere Collection hair silk. So let's just see how much that is. So that one is, I don't know whether you'll be able to see it. That one is £12. So wow, this is like amazing. And this one is, sure that one is the hair silk. So this one is the hair gel, if it's gonna focus. So that one is there. I just go on and see how much that one is. That one is £14. Don't know whether you'll be able to see that price there. Right, so it's £14 and that's really expensive stuff. Right, okay, so then we got the texturizing cashmere hair bath. So just go on my phone and just have a look at the price of this one. Right, so there it is. This one is £12.88. And there you go, you see it there. If it will actually large, because that is like amazing. Wow, that's amazing. That box is like £23, and up to now there has been 15, 30, 45 and nearly, I would say nearly about £70 worth of products. So this one is the, so go focus. So this one is the hair serum. So let's just see what the price is for this one. Hair serum. And this one is £12 as well. So that one is £12 as well. Wow, sorry you went out of focus there. Right. So so if you liked my video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!